Oh, you gotta tap it. Go ahead and dig into that.
Let's see. Get me a nice piece of chicken on there.
How it tastes?
Kennedy, Cymone. Kennedy, Cymone. She the baddest, ooh. Looking killer, ooh. Represent the crew with Kennedy, Cymone.
What is up, Kid Killer?
Kid Killer, what's going on, y'all folks today, man? How y'all feeling?
How y'all feeling? So, you know, got my cooking gear on because we're gonna be doing a cooking video today. You know, chefing it up or whatever. Y'all know my mama got me this for Christmas, so I'm wearing it.
It's lit, though. It really fire. Yeah.
I really look like I work at Benihana'S, don't I?
You really look like you on the food.
I be on there with the
What you get it out of? Oh, you gotta tap it.
I really be out there.
You gotta tap it and flip it. Yeah.
But y'all, as y'all can see from the title, we're gonna be making some Benihana chicken fried rice. Got all of our ingredients.
All the ingredients right here.
Over here, you know. We're gonna give y'all a closer look in a second. First, we're about to make us some Kool-Aid because we thirsty. And you gotta have the Kool-Aid with the rice.
You got to. Okay, so Kimmy has a stepping stool in here. Cause she's
short like this, you have to.
I really thought it was something for the dog when I first got here and I seen her actually pull it out and use it. I was like, wow.
You know, you gotta do
what kind of Kool-Aid we about to make her though?
We're about to make us some cherry Kool-Aid.
Oh, the cherry. It about to go crazy.
You got your picture.
Yep.
So you got your picture.
No. We ain't talking about baseball. No, sir.
Alright, we gotta get our sugar.
Where the sugar? Can we borrow some brown sugar? Is that gonna be enough sugar? Hold on, let me feel that.
Hold on, let me put it in there first. You know, you gotta make sure it's like up to right here. That's how much sugar you gotta put in, okay?
Nah, you sure? Yes. You make it white. You make it white. Turn the Kool-Aid.
I thought it was something.
Kennedy.
I know what I'm doing.
We want this to be sweet.
I know what I'm doing.
Where's the sweet? Like.
Listen, did you take my Kool-Aid last time?
No.
So now you take your
Kool-Aid. You make yours backwards, bruh.
No, I don't.
Oh, God.
Everybody do it.
I'll put the Kool-Aid in there, I put the water in there, and then I just pound the sugar in there.
No, nigga. No,
this is interesting.
When it's done, you taste test it, then you put more sugar in there. You don't want to put too much sugar, then you can't go back.
Did y'all ever used to, in school, have the little Kool-Aid packet? Like, it was just Kool-Aid and sugar? It was like crack?
Yeah.
Yeah, we used to have them crazy.
So first, y'all, you gotta do hot water. That's what I do. The hot water breaks down the chemicals. The hot water does though, for real though. It like melts it and then you throw in the cold water.
Oh, okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
I'm a dead ass up.
Oh my God, this is hilarious.
Alright, so we're gonna fill that up with the hot water, right?
Yep.
And then you know when you get halfway there, switch that thing to cold.
Okay. Wow, this is very interesting, Henry. I never seen nobody make Kool-Aid. Like, you really have it down to a science.
Yeah. So next, you want to take this thing right here.
Oh, you got a whisk?
Whisk.
What? You ain't using a big wooden spoon?
Then you want to just, you know, go crazy.
Oh, look at the flick of the wrist.
Go crazy.
What's he doing?
And then, you got to go the other way.
Yeah. Oh, look at that wrist. Look at that wrist.
Okay, I think it's all mixed in there real good.
You got a whisk, of course it is. Normally you got a spoon, it takes a little second, but that's gonna get the job done fast.
Alright.
Expeditiously.
Then you want to throw the lid on there like that.
Throw
right
that
there.
lid on it.
And then you just put it in the fridge.
Okie dokie.
So we're gonna let this get cold right here.
Yep.
And now we're gonna go make our shrimp fried rice.
Shrimp fried rice?
Chicken wing.
Chicken wing on guy.
Alright y'all, so we got all of our ingredients right here. We got our botan rice. This is the rice that they use at Benihana's. We got our thin sliced breast fillets. Chicken breasts. Got some eggs for the rice, some sesame seeds to throw on the rice, some ginger sauce. I just got this just because I love it. And some soy sauce, some vegetable oil, some lemon, some carrots, some green onions, some garlic, and some white onions. And then I just got this just because. Yes, sir. You ready to cook?
Oh yeah, Chef RD in this thing. It's going down.
All right. Ooh, I should have cleaned this. So now we're gonna fill our pot up with some nice water, some aqua.
You really look like you on the show.
Do I really?
Yeah, like a chef. Oh God, no cap.
Cooking with Kennedy.
Cooking with
Thought it
Kennedy, official. You gotta throw an egg up in your hat and catch it.
I should really try it.
Yeah, you got to.
Okay.
You got to.
Okay.
Oh
We're
yeah.
gonna come put this on the stove right here.
On that boiler.
Turn this on to yes, sir.
Oh.
Turn that up to 5 right there.
Let that thing warm up.
We're gonna take our full-time rod.
Don't cut yourself.
I'm a G. Should I wait for the water to get hot? I forgot what the man said. I'm gonna wait a little bit.
Okay.
We'll come back there.
Come back to that. Oh, but what we can do is start chopping up our ingredients. Yes, sir.
We got our cutting board.
Ooh.
Gonna put this right here. Yes. Actually, we can bring it right here so we got more room, you know? Oh, before you guys start, make sure you wash your hands.
Wash your hands.
All times, because we don't want your boo-boo fingers
on the
in
food. Exactly. Wash. Done.
Get in between the crevices.
Yep.
Real good like that.
Oh, gee.
Yes, sir.
Getting them nice and clean. What you doing, man?
We haven't seen Cindy in a minute.
Cindy big. Oh, the green onions look so nice.
I'm gonna be honest, I never cut a green onion before.
Are you Are you serious?
I never have. That's how you do it, right?
Yeah. Watch your fingers.
I see it. I wish I had one of them. What's them things called? Where you just put it in there and it chop it up for you?
Yeah. Alright.
Yes, sir. So we got our green onions cut. We just gonna go over here, slide that on there, just like that. And we have some nice green onions. So next we're gonna do our carrots.
Carrots are banging. What's up, Doc? You know who said that?
Who said that?
Bugs Bunny.
I don't watch TV.
Bugs Bunny. Everybody know about Bugs.
I don't know how to cut no carrot.
The same way. I would do probably 1 carrot at a time, though. Could not let you super strong.
This is not how he had his cut up. He had his like, oh, I know what he probably
He had it sliced and diced.
He had this.
The grater.
Yeah.
Oh, no, not that side. That's the big side. You gotta do the other side. Oh, is that it?
Big, don't they? Or no?
Nah, that's
good.
That's a nice little size. Yeah, you can always go back and just chop them. You want me to try?
Yeah.
Alright, here. Let me wash my hands.
Yeah, go on and get them. I was about to try to flame you.
Yeah, let me go ahead and wash up. A, B, C, D,
E, F, G, A. T, U, V.
W, X, Y, Z. I know we're about to get this thing. Kim was struggling a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But I really do this cooking stuff.
Oh, whatever. Oh. Hold on, we never put the rice in there.
Oh, that water boiling up a storm. Ooh, I think that's good.
You sure?
I don't know, it sounded like it. You think you can put some more?
Yeah, a little bit more.
Okay. Yeah, get the spoon.
The spoon.
Yep. Oh, you
Yes,
fancy.
Yes, sir. You just want to, give it a nice little twirl. Put that on there like that.
And let that simmer for 20 minutes.
Yes, sir. Back to these carrots. Chef T.
Chef TWEEZY. Let me see.
Yes, sir. Oh, I was going too slow. TWEEZY going crazy, y'all.
Oh yeah, I already do that. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Nah, I'm playing. I specialize in noodles. Hey, they actually came out pretty cool looking. What is that? That look nasty.
What is that, y'all?
We just gonna chop that.
That's the stem. Look at him, y'all. He going crazy with the carrots.
You got to. You gotta get them finely shredded. Okay, we good.
Okay, toss those on a plate.
And we good to go. Boom.
Bam.
What we got next?
Got our green onions, my bad. The carrots, and now we just need our onions. Yes, sir.
Onion's about to make you cry.
Don't say that.
For real. I really had cut an onion till it made me cry. Like,
I don't be crying. Only thing that happened to me is I be sneezing.
oh, wow.
Yes, sir. Okay, I need to stop saying that. I'm saying that so much.
Chanel bag, Chanel tag.
This onion is strong. This onion look a hot damn mess. We just gonna chop this right here like that. Just like that right there. I'll spat down the middle like that.
Yeah, it's making my nose a little.
You just wanna go down like there, like that.
So we got some onions. We probably have to dice them a little bit more though.
Yeah. These aren't the best looking onions, but it'll work.
Oh yeah, they gonna work, OD. Grabbing that other paper plate.
And we're just gonna toss that on there, just like that. Alright.
That's it.
We're gonna clean up and we'll be back.
We'll be back.
Alright, y'all, so now we gotta cut our garlic for our garlic butter.
Ooh.
Yes.
That's the best part to me.
So right now I'm just breaking apart little pieces of garlic.
I like to love you every day. I like to love you.
Alright, y'all, so we got TWEEZY over here chopping up the garlic. We're about to take this rice right here, pour the water out, and then we're gonna put it in the refrigerator for 20 minutes so that it can get cold. If we would have just fried the rice, it would have been all nasty and burnt to the pan. So you gotta cook the rice first and then fry it. Cooking with Kennedy.
Night and day, if I may. I like to. I like to love you every day. I like to love you.
Okay, so to speed up the process, you're gonna throw this in the freezer so it can be cold. So TWEEZY is done with our chopped garlic.
Yes, sir. Put that on a little plate. That thing
Throw that on the plate. He says messing with your eye.
Crazy.
Messing with his eye. So since our rice is in the fridge, we can go ahead and make our go ahead and make our garlic butter. So we got our onions, our carrots, green onions, and our garlic. So we're about to use this garlic to make our garlic butter. All right, y'all, so next we're going to cut up a lemon to put in our garlic butter. So we're gonna squeeze this guy in the garlic butter. You wanna get one stick of butter, put one more half. So next, it says we gotta squeeze 1/2 of the lemon.
1/2.
The butter. Ooh, I'm weak right now. Just like that. The butter is supposed to be room temperature butter, y'all. So ours is not quite. Ours is still cold, but okay. Soy sauce.
Soy sauce has like a certain taste. Like it's I don't know.
There we go. And then the garlic, right?
Yeah, but I think we should cook the garlic. But we gotta stir it up and stuff, the butter.
Hey, Fendi Pooh. Hey. Look how big he's getting, y'all. Oop, I just got my hands dirty. I'm gonna clean them, y'all. I know somebody in the comments will be like, that girl touching that nasty dog. Actually in the kitchen cooking. Y'all knew it was coming. That's why I just said that.
Yeah.
Y'all be on me.
Well, we had to warm up the butter because it was not room temperature, and we had to make sure it got right.
So see.
Now let's get to it.
It's a little bit better.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, make sure y'all's are room butter is room temperature.
Not like ice cream.
Yeah. Ooh.
Ooh, I should just put it back in there.
Yeah. Place that back in the microwave for 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Cooking with Kennedy.
Yes, sir. I kind of melted the other butter too much, so we had to melt some more. This is perfect.
It's like ice cream. Literally like ice cream. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is add our
soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
Here you go. Put it in the spoon like he did.
Oh yeah, fact.
So you don't put too much. 1, 2.
One more?
Yeah, half of 1. 3.
Add that in there, and then for the
garlic.
Garlic.
Ew, that garlic smells nasty.
Oh, crazy, don't it?
And then you just want to give it a stir. There's some big chunks of garlic.
Really?
You don't think so?
No.
You gotta mix. There we go. Is that how theirs look? That's how it look too, huh?
Yeah. Garlic butter. There
just be a little, not as soupy, huh?
Yeah, but when you slap it on that chicken, it's gonna be crazy anyway.
Yeah, there we go. Okay. When was you gonna stop?
I don't know. I was just doing it. I was just like in it. Okay, guys. So what we're gonna do is add a little oil. You know what I'm saying?
A little vegetable oil to the pan.
Vegetable oil.
Yep.
What should I put in there first? I do the green. I do the regular onions.
Yeah. No, he did. No, he did the.
He did the green onions first.
Yeah.
And the carrots.
Yeah. Or no. He did the onions and the carrots first. Because the green onions is thin.
Okay.
I really don't think it mattered though.
Shit.
Turn that down to 3.
Yeah, a little bit.
And you just wanna
get those nice and sauteed.
Yes, listen to that sizzle. Alright, we're gonna let these saute a little bit.
What it smell like?
Smells like I know how to cook. So TWEEZY made us a little hole in the middle.
Yeah.
For the ingredients. So we just gonna throw those in there. Just like that. Take our, well, you shouldn't be using a fork because it'll scratch up your pan. But hey.
Oh yeah, where that spoon at? We can use that little
I'm not scratching the pan, so it's all good.
It really smells good, y'all.
You really do.
No cap. And it's very colorful. Look at all the pretty colors.
Alright, so while that's marinating or sizzling, whatever you want to call it, we're going to season our chicken. Now, I know at Benihana'S they don't do that, but I feel like they need a little bit of teriyaki sauce.
I love seasoning on there. Got to. Oh yeah.
Just turn this down a little bit. Put that on low.
Let them guys get nice and sauteed.
Take our bowl. Rinse these chicken off real quick.
Gotta keep them in. Gotta clean your chicken out, y'all.
Got to.
Don't just take it out the thing and throw it in the skillet. It is not gonna do that.
This look like Jack's leg.
No cap.
Jack, if you watching this look like your leg.
It look like your leg. The shark.
Alright, so we're gonna bring this over here. Check on our vegetables. Smelling real good over here, guys.
Real good.
I feel like we on Food Network. About 2 or 3 more minutes and I think we'll be good to go.
Maybe we should. You think we should put a little bit more oil in there? Or you think it's good?
I think it's good. Yes, sir.
That don't smell good too, y'all.
It really do smell good.
Okay.
Go on and rinse out this pan and we're gonna cook our chicken.
Chicken.
Well, let's get our seasonings for our chicken. We just gonna throw us some salt and pepper on there. We ain't gonna do too much since we got the garlic butter, you know.
Garlic butter is the best.
All right, y'all. So next we got to season up this chicken. It's looking a little bland, you know, just a little something.
You gotta do a little something
Just a
to it.
little something.
Just a little salt. That's crazy because that's the only salt I done seen since I was a little kid. That salt later, bro.
Just a little bit, y'all. Flip them over.
Put some salt.
A little sazzle dazzle.
Razzle dazzle.
Razzle dazzle. I was trying to figure out what you said. Throw you a little pepper on there like that.
Salt and pepper.
Get them all nicely coated, you know. And then we just gonna throw us some, just a little bit
A
teriyaki.
little teriyaki in there. Just a little bit.
Give it a good shake. All the sesame seeds at the top.
Shake and bake.
Oop.
Ooh. That's good, though.
Yes, sir.
That is good.
Take you one of these.
Bro, what is it?
If you don't want to get your hands dirty, you just brush it on.
That is true. A little brush.
So next, oh, we've got to turn the stove back on.
Oh.
Yes, sir. We're gonna put that on 4. Yeah, 4, 3.5.
3.5.
You know.
Get that nice and
Get
going.
that nice and going. Then we're gonna throw us some garlic butter in there. Get our chicken cooking. We are back and ready to rumble. So we're gonna take a little bit of garlic butter. You know they be in there like this.
Ooh.
Look at that razzle dazzle. Turn it down a little bit.
Now it smells good.
Then we're gonna take us one of these.
Slap that guy in there. Yes, sir.
Oh, they be putting the oil in there, but
Yeah.
oh well.
Oh, yeah. Nah, you can soak it in that garlic butter too.
Might as well.
Just cause.
Alright guys, we'll be back in a little bit.
Okay, you guys.
So once the chicken gets about halfway done, you just wanna, you can take you some kitchen scissors like these or a knife. Go ahead and chop it on.
Chop them guys up.
Alright y'all, back chopping up our chicken.
So as you guys can see.
It's not done yet, we gotta put it back in there. I'm just chopping it up.
So yes, sir.
We've been saying that all day.
All day.
Alright.
We are back. So we done chopped up all the chicken as y'all can see. Oh, hold on. You almost lit my elbow on fire.
So we're gonna turn the oven on. I mean the stove.
Get
Put our
the chicken
on there.
It is good. So now we're just gonna stir that up. We're gonna add some more garlic butter to that
Add some more
thing.
butter in there.
Cook that guy up. Ooh.
Like that.
Whoopsie. Now you need to put some more in there, man.
Some more?
Yeah, you chicken. Yes, sir.
You want more?
Yeah, why not?
Crazy.
Yeah, that thing gonna get nice and done. So yeah, we about to just cut that all the way
Cook
through,
this
y'all.
all the way and we'll be back.
Y'all already know what's going on.
Alright, so our chicken is done. Now we're gonna crack our eggs.
Y'all get a good look at that.
We're gonna crack our eggs to go in with our fried rice.
Don't get no shells in there now. So yeah, I'm just gonna scramble this egg like a regular egg. You know what I'm saying? Just scramble.
Yep. Okay, let's get the rice out the fridge.
Oh, that right probably froze. It's been never more than 20 minutes, brother. Oh no. Oh, it's good. It's good.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. It's good.
No, it's not.
It's good.
It's so hard.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
I just felt it.
TWEEZY is hard. Where's the fork at?
It's good.
Oh, it's good?
Yes.
I felt it. It felt hard.
No, you tripping. So we done pulled the rice out.
Is it supposed to be?
Yeah, he said to make sure it's like, yeah, broken up and stuff, not stuck together. So we got the rice out, y'all. Took out the freezer. It's actually good. I feel like it's perfect. We about to scramble this egg here in a second.
Then we gonna mix everything together.
Yep, so you guys stay tuned.
Alright, so next we gonna fry our eggs.
Yeah.
We got our rice all fluffed out and ready to go.
Yeah, I'll get a good look at that rice over here. Ooh, shrimp fried rice. We got the vegetables. Oh, there we go. Chicken.
And
Kenny is about to.
That wasn't quite hot yet, but it's okay.
Yeah. Yeah, y'all know the eggs about to get scrambled.
Then after that, we gotta cook the rice again.
Oh!
This feels so long, y'all. I feel like we've been doing this for 2 hours. I swear, this is like taking forever.
They do this on a cooking show in 30 minutes.
No, like 10, 15. No?
They already have everything cut and cooked, dog. Well, they just come out there with the rice and stuff.
Yeah. Nah, they be cutting that stuff fast.
They do. That knife they got. Dang, I ain't even hungry no more.
Great.
I ain't even hungry no more. This is very time consuming, y'all.
It's 11:30, y'all. We started this at what time?
Like 9:15.
Oh my gosh.
We gotta cook this rice on there, fry the rice.
Vegetables in there.
Yep.
And then we throw in the eggs
and the chicken. Yeah.
Dang.
Okay, you guys.
Alright, so we're just gonna take some vegetable oil. Put a little bit. Is that enough?
Put a little bit more.
Put that in the pan. Then we're gonna take our rice, right?
Yeah.
We just gonna.
Yeah.
Ooh, this how it be sounding. That's how it sounds.
That's how it sounds. Oh, D. We probably gotta put some more grease in there. Oh, man.
We're gonna put garlic butter in there too.
Oh, yeah, facts.
Is that enough?
Yeah, that's good for right now.
Okay. So then we're gonna throw these in there. Oh wait, we're supposed to put in this first.
So what?
Soy sauce. Take a little bit of soy sauce. Then we're gonna take these. Should I put all of them in there or not all of them?
Not all of them.
Take a little bit of garlic butter. Put that in there. Does this look like it?
Yeah, we just gotta probably add a little bit more soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
Maybe you could just add, yeah, that would probably make it good. Maybe try
more butter? Or?
Yeah.
Oh, the eggs.
Oh, the eggs. Yeah, we should cook them.
Oh.
That's good.
I didn't mean to put that much.
It's coming along, y'all.
It's getting there.
It's getting there.
Alright, you guys. So this is our hibachi Benihana style fried rice with some teriyaki chicken.
And it looks crazy. You gotta taste it. You gotta taste it for the people telling you know how it goes. It actually looks good, y'all.
Alright, so that's the
Go
taste
ahead
test.
and dig into that.
Let's see. Give me a nice piece of chicken on there.
How it tastes?
Ooh, hot.
It's hot. Don't burn your tongue now. It look good. It tastes good.
Give me a sec. Ooh, we got that Kool-Aid too.
Ooh.
Okay,
On a scale of 1 to 10.
I give it 6.5.
You gave me 6.5.
Y'all, we should have left the rice in the
Freezer
refrigerator
for a day.
overnight because it's a little mushy. So the texture is just off.
All off.
But
6
yeah,
out
I give
of
it 6.
10.
What would you give it?
What
would you give it?
I'll probably give it like a good 6.5, 7.
6.5, 7.
It's not bad.
It's not bad.
Still put together, taste the same. It's just the rice.
Yeah,
The
texture of the rice is a little off. But other than that, it's good. Alright, you guys. So I hope you enjoyed today's Cooking with Kennedy video featuring TWEEZY.
It's lit, man.
Make sure y'all go check them out on the link down below. And I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Peace.
Mwah.